What's up guys, Brian from SoCo Customs here with a pretty unique build for you today. Now I say unique because you don't see too many of these trucks running around. This is a 2006 Hummer H2 truck. Now as soon as I stepped into this truck, the interior just brought back a whole bunch of nostalgia from the Need for Speed Underground game where they added the SUVs in there. Except you know what, we sent this one up pretty high. This truck is up 6 inches on the Fabtech lift kit. We added some stands to the truck with the Tuff A.Ts. They're a 26 by 14 in this black and milk. And they're a true directional, so they're going to swoop on both sides. The customer provided these 37 by 1350 tires. But there are a few brands out there that will carry this specialized size if you do some hunting. Alright guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, and we appreciate you guys clicking ads, allowing us to continue being monetized.